How's everybody doing? It's Kente, aka Mr. Clean Cut himself. I remember an old man once told me, he said, most things are caught, not taught. And it's funny because every night I go home, I do 300 push-ups. The other night I was kind of fatigued, so I said I wasn't going to do it. But as soon as I walked through the door, my 4-year-old son runs up on me. He got his tank top on. He got a water bottle in one hand. He's got his towel in the other hand. He's like, we finna do our push-ups, Daddy. I'm like, I can't say no to him. So I'm just like, come on, son, let's go down here and do these push-ups. So we down here doing the push-ups. I mean, he giving it all these guys. He's mimicking all my moves. He's emulating me in every type way. And I'm like, wow, this little boy be watching me, man. I wonder what else this little boy done seen me do. So I kind of laughed the thought off. But then I go to thinking like, am I really the man that I want my son to be once he grows up? Am I really the man that I want my daughter to marry when she grows up? How would you feel if your son brought home a woman just like you? You go on a Facebook page, all you see is weed and back shots. She done been ran through by the crew. She got folks on her page calling her a swoop and stuff. How would you feel if your son was up there gang banging, walking around here with Dickie suits on just like his daddy? He got a rap sheet by the time he's 21. I'm pretty sure nobody wants this for their child. You may not ever put a cigarette in your son's mouth. You may not ever put a bottle of beer up to your daughter's mouth. You might not never teach your daughter how to have 2 and 3 different baby daddies. But just like that old man said, most things are caught, not taught. Amen. Amen. We'll be up the shop tomorrow from 9 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Feel free to give us a call at 678-570-2813. Team KKBS. Join the movement.